Hi guys, welcome back to Mcgahas Make. Again, I'm Lindsay.
And I'm Chad.
And today we're making overnight oats. We're making banana chocolate chip, and then after that we're going to show you how to make vanilla homemade creamer in just 3 simple steps. It's super cheap and way easier than, going out and buying a bunch of processed chemical creamers.
I love it. I love chemical creamers.
Okay. So we're gonna jump right in and we're gonna start with the banana chocolate chip overnight oats. So Chad, you're gonna start with half a banana and you're gonna wanna mash it up.
I don't know if you guys see this, but this banana is huge. It's bigger than our sun. So, where did we get this from?
Aldi.
Yo, Aldi, if you want those organic beef bananas, that's where they're at.
Beef bananas.
Yeah, dude, they're like beefed up. So I put
half of it, honey.
Oh, did I put it in here?
Yeah, put it in the bowl and then you have to mash it up with a spoon. I'll just leave that over here for Rex.
So sorry for my tan lines.
They look good. I don't know what you're saying. You look like a farmer.
I haven't had like a successful summer because I work, so I'm usually in uniform. It's great.
Yeah, which is why we're making overnight oats, because you always wake up way too early to eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
No, you don't.
I drink coffee. That's like.
It's not the same thing.
Can I just use my hands?
Sure, if you want it, I guess. To make you feel manly?
A little bit. I hope everyone's having a good Sunday, because I am. Even though we're filming this on Saturday, so that's kind of weird, but it's cool. Whatever.
What?
Oh, nothing. I'm just talking.
Okay.
Is that good?
Yeah, that's probably fine. You can wash your hands. Okay, and then we're gonna do half a cup of Quaker oats.
You know what's crazy? We've had these oats for like a year, and I've never used them once.
I used them.
Oh.
Yeah, Greek yogurt.
I wonder if it's really from like Greece. Like the country. Yeah, that's
Okay.
like false advertising.
Well, I think it's just like the recipe of the yogurt. Okay, so you can mix that up a little bit, and then you're gonna put it up to this line. So the 1/3.
I just put it like.
No, just a spoon. And spoon it in there. So we need 1/3 cup of plain Greek yogurt. We're gonna put that in there.
Put it in here?
Yeah, everything goes in there.
Yes.
And then we'll put we'll fill this whole thing up.
Like this?
No,
Oh.
of milk.
Alright. Dude, I'm so bad at cooking.
That's why you're learning. So one day when I'm like,
Yeah, I'm gonna order.
maybe I'm not here
I'm gonna order pizza.
for every meal of the day.
I mean, yeah.
Dude,
pretty
you'll be
much.
so broke.
Won't be broke.
Yeah, okay.
Be my cheat week.
Your cheap life.
Yeah.
Okay, then you're gonna do 1 tablespoon of chia seed.
What are these?
Chia seeds.
What do they do?
If you don't know, they're good for you.
Sound like they would have like special powers or something.
Yeah, maybe if you eat it, you get
Like,
special powers.
what are the ones from Dragon Ball Z? The little bean things?
I know what you're talking about, but I don't know what they're
I
called.
feel like those are the same thing.
Okay, then you need half a teaspoon of vanilla.
Yeah, I tried putting this in my coffee once. It's not the same.
Well, it's not sweet. It just smells good.
That is false advertisement.
A pinch of salt. So you'll dump it in your hand.
Can I be like the dude?
Sure. No! And pinch it.
Oh no.
Your hands are wet. Why didn't you dry them off? Okay, let's try that again. Oh my god. Okay, you ready? Okay, now pinch it.
You just.
Yep, there you go. You
like
can't even see it.
Oh, that's cool.
No, just one pinch. You can watch the rest of the rock again. Okay, and then use your tablespoon again, and you're gonna put your maple syrup in there. That's where you're getting your sugars from, since you're using vanilla. That's where the sweetness is gonna come from. That and the chocolate chips, and I love the banana too.
Nice. Dude, we should make a cookbook.
Sure.
Can we legally do that and just steal recipes?
I don't know. I mean, probably if I like cite my Pinterest board. Hi, Brags. Okay, and then you put your chocolate chips in.
You want to hold them?
Yeah. Come here. Then you'll put your chocolate chips in. You're only supposed to use 2 tablespoons, but add your chocolate chip.
Mmm. You got it. You wanted me?
He's having a hard time. Just give it to me. Okay. Chocolate?
Alright, dude. How many?
As much as you want.
Awesome. Like a whole bag.
No. I mean, you can do more. Okay, that's probably good.
Let it rain.
Okay, and then you use your spoon to mix it up, and then you put it in your bowl. And you don't have to use mason jars. A lot of people use mason jars because they're airtight. But we're just using like a regular Tupperware. It has a good seal on the lid, so it'll be fine.
Dude,
And you'll just leave those in the refrigerator overnight. Yeah, just dump it in there.
Dude, what's a mason jar?
A mason jar? Like, you don't know what a mason jar is?
No, I literally have no idea.
Hey!
Alright. Are we done with this one?
Yeah, and then you'll just put that in the fridge. You want to make sure that you don't leave any overnight oats in the refrigerator longer than 3 days because the fruit will be disgusting. But if you're doing some without fruit, then it's fine to leave it in there for about 5 days. Okay. So for this next one, we already have 1 3/4 cups of heavy whipping cream. And then you're gonna get your sweetened condensed milk. It's 14 ounces. Go ahead and open that. We'll put it all in this bowl. I'll put the bowl away.
I don't like how this looks, dude.
It's supposed to look like that. Like that. Like,
Ooh, it looks like snot.
that's not what I thought it looked like, but
Looks like that stuff from Nickelodeon, the slime. Like I would just pour a bucket of this on your head.
14 ounces.
Slime time.
And then we'll do 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Then you can dump that in there. And I'll get you another spoon in your container. Or you can get a spoon.
Remember me. Now just stir it
Yep.
in a clockwise manner.
Stir it however you want.
Figure eights. I think this is my favorite one that we're making.
The creamer?
Yeah, we drink a lot of coffee. So.
Yeah, we drink coffee like crackheads.
Probably between us, we drink like 6 altogether in a day.
Yeah, 6 cups of coffee a day, probably.
It's probably not good. Do some figure eights.
And then we're just using an empty creamer bottle for it.
R.I.P.
Okay, so when it's all getting mixed, you can just dump it in here. Oh, don't.
Alright. Oh, you see this? See this talent? See this? Watch out for network coming for you. Yo, my dream right now is to be on Chopped.
To be on Chopped.
Yeah, but like I want to be in the one where people don't know what they're doing.
Like amateurs.
Yeah, except like I'm literally the only one that put this. I'm literally the only one that doesn't know what they're doing. They're just like, what are you making today? And I just make them like, you ever see Step Brothers? When the dude puts like nachos and the cheese on it and he puts it in the microwave?
Yeah.
That's what I would make.
I fully believe that. Okay, you can put the lid back on. And then you're just gonna wanna store it in the fridge like you would any other creamer. And I believe the recipe said that it's good until your milk goes bad. So like probably 2 weeks or so.
What?
The creamer.
Oh yeah, that'll be gone in like 3 days.
Yeah, 2 days.
It's disgusting. It's bad.
Okay, well, thank you for coming and watching our second video. Next week is our son's birthday, so we're gonna be doing a non-breakfast item. We're gonna be making his birthday cake, his smash cake, for his birthday party. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, like this video, leave a comment, and yeah, subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can.
I'm leaving.
Okay, bye.